Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front-wheel drive, trip computer, tachometer, day-night rear-view mirror, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, 4-piece floor mat set, power rear window sunshade, low tire pressure warning. Your new ride is just a phone call away.